Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone device guys, and today video title is guys take a screenshot slide down with three finger. Hence how to take it. Friends, we want to take a three finger with guys slide down. So friends, how can we use, and friends, how can we take a screenshot today friends? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this tab setting in your Infinix phone device. So we will have to search a phone special function setting guys. Special function setting guys, we will search here friends. You can see special function guys, tap here. Friends, you can see this action and gesture setting guys, tap here guys. You can see take a screenshot setting guys, you can find here. Slide down with three finger to take a screenshot guys, we will tap here to on, and friends, now guys you can slide down with three finger guys. You won't get this screenshot in your Infinix phone device, and this screenshot guys you want, so guys we will tap here, slide down, take a screenshot. So like that guys, you can take a screenshot with your three fingers to slide down to take a screenshot. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.